Hi everyone, Miss Moore, if you're watching this, thank you for assigning this video for our end of the year senior project because it's quite convenient. I lost 2 subscribers. Honestly, I just need to make a video, so we're gonna be doing a PC build while my friend asks me questions.
Okay, moving on. How does your senior year compare to your junior year?
Senior year is like junior year, except you gotta get a lot of stuff for college done.
So you'd say it's more stressful?
It's much more stressful. During your senior year, you don't have time for anything.
Has Miller exceeded or failed your expectations?
I'd say that Miller has exceeded my expectations. Keep in mind that Miller is like a lap of luxury. It's kind of like a community college of some sort. Like there's a built-in cafe inside of Miller in which you've got to pay for your own food. It's not like cafeteria food because it's 10 times the better quality.
So what's your favorite part of senior year so far?
What I like about homecoming was like, I used to think that homecoming was like a waste of time. But after I went, I was like amazed about how fun it was. It's the only time I actually get to dance without being judged for it.
What's your best and worst part of driving to school?
Being honest, driving to school has been the best part for me because there are many different ways to drive to school without putting that much effort. And just to keep in mind, I live on the other side of the highway. If you live where I live, you would be thankful to be driving to school. But at the same time, I gained a lot of weight and I'm like out of shape now. I've gained like, what, 30 pounds since the beginning of the school year?
What is your opinion on the color blue?
I like the color blue.
I like it too. What happened to the fire trucks in Tennessee?
They go oogity, 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 oogity.
How has your experience working at Marco's been?
Marco's is a mixed bag. I love that how I got to earn a lot of money working at Marco's, but at the same time, I really wanted to like spend my junior year doing other stuff. Funny PC build speedrun time.
Hey, look at it. It's beautiful.
How isn't that a thing of beauty? Wasn't there one more question you were gonna ask me?
Oh yeah, are you affiliated with the recent incidents with Monkey Joe's?
I thought we were not supposed to talk about that, man. We're not supposed to talk.